Welcome back to day 2 of the South Africa Infrastructure Expo featuring Transport Evolution Africa, right here at Gallagher Convention Centre. And I've got to say, what an incredible day it has been. The exhibition floor has been buzzing with industry leaders, suppliers and professionals connecting, networking and discovering solutions that support the future of infrastructure, transport and logistics. From expert discussions to meaningful business connections, today has highlighted the importance of collaboration across these essential industries. There is still plenty more to experience and explore, so make sure you do not miss the final day. Register now to get your ticket, which gives you access to the South Africa Infrastructure Expo featuring Transport Evolution Africa, as well as Big 5 Construct South Africa. See you tomorrow.